Hey, how are you? I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is affiliate marketing and how the average person like you and I can start making money online. I'm going to be explaining it in the most simplest form so you can understand exactly what it is. All I ask for you is to hit that like button so we can get this video out to more people and more entrepreneurs looking to make money from affiliate marketing. So with the intro out of the way, let's dive right into the laptop so we can talk about what is affiliate marketing and how you can start making money from it. All right, so this is affiliate marketing simplified. So you have a business and this business wants to grow. They want more customers to share their products and their services with. So how do they do that without spending thousands and thousands of dollars on old traditional ways like TV, billboards, stuff like that, right? For an example, from 2014 to 2019, it says the average 30-second commercial was over $100,000. And it says that it's roughly down by $20,000, but that's still almost 80 grand. 80 grand for a 30-second commercial. And that's even more expensive with Super Bowl commercials, right? $5 million for a 30-second ad, right? If you've been watching the Super Bowl, you see these crazy commercials. Companies spend a lot of money to get their messages and their products out to the world. So companies got a lot more smarter, where they'd rather pay affiliates like you and I, right? You can look on this, the billboards. Billboards, they start with like $750 to about $1,500 a month, all the way up to 14 grand in larger markets, depending on where that billboard is. Companies are a lot more smarter. They're not stupid in throwing their money away for advertising. So this is where the affiliate comes into play. They'd rather pay people like you and me to spread the word of mouth. And I'm sure you've done this before. I'm sure you've told somebody about something. Maybe it was a pair of shoes, or maybe it was a movie that you saw and you were excited and say, man, this is what I experienced. You got to check out this movie. What? Did the movie company give you a commission when your friend went to see that movie? No. And this is what affiliate marketing is. We have a business that wants more customers, and you can get paid by being the middleman. So let's say we have John here, right? John, the affiliate. John wants to make some money. So he goes to this business, he signs up absolutely free by filling out a web form online, and they will give him a unique code, a unique link that he can advertise online on social media. And when people click this link, they will be able to earn a commission when a purchase is made through that link. So the business needs customers. John is a middleman, and he's referring clients and customers to this business. And it's the perfect model to get started in making money online, because you don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with shipping or holding products. You don't have to deal with any of that. All you're doing is sharing a product or a service with someone and saying, hey, check this out. This is what I refer you to. I think it's cool, and if you're interested, you can click through this link and purchase now. This is the most easiest way that people can start making money from home without much experience, or even you don't even have to have a huge audience, because you can grow an audience and start posting free content online, or you can blog and you can start making money fast. This internet thing is huge, right? From my Instagram account, I can text someone in United Kingdom. I can text someone in, Canada, and I live in the United States. So this internet thing is humongous, to where you can reach different people from different parts of the world. So businesses, if they don't have an online presence, most businesses can go out of business, like some of our old companies that we remember, Blockbuster and Payless, and let's just have a moment of silence actually for all the fallen businesses that did not make it. So sad. All right, so this is the most simplest way that I can explain it to you guys. It's pretty much being a middleman, being a referral agent that earns a commission for a percentage of a piece of a sale, right? So if something sells for $100, depending on your percentage that the company gives you, you may earn $20, something like that. And that's off of each sale. So the more customers you bring, the more money you can make as an affiliate. And our biggest brands have affiliate programs. Fortune 100 companies like Target, Nike has an affiliate program, Reebok, Walmart, and also Amazon. They all have affiliate programs to where you can earn money by partnering with these companies. All right, so that's all I got for you guys. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.